isipin nyo na pag sundin nyo to, ma-approve agad kayo. Yun, I think, is a big factor para ma-approve yung application nyo.
Sad.
Why do you feel sad?
Because I wanted my mom.
We are back here in Paddy Freeman. So, andito na kami a couple of days ago. Pero bumalik kami para ma-check kung bukas yung Pets Corner. And at the same time, have a walk as well. Kasi nasa weather. Yeah, go down. Dahil sa weather. Palagi nasa bahay, kaya exercise ng konti. Straight lang.
Dito ako dumaan.
Yun. And then hanapin namin yung, alam ko may cafe dun eh. Bebenta ng hot choco. Perfect for the weather. Yun. Hiningal ako kasi akyat baba. Kulang sa stamina. So, as I was saying, since nag-walking naman kami, I thought magbibigay ako ng tips with regards to ano yung mga kailangan mong tandaan if dadalhin mo yung family mo dito sa UK. Now, just a bit of how do you say it, disclaimer ba? Or ano lang guys kasi baka isipin nyo na pag sundin nyo to, ma-approve agad kayo. Just take this with a grain of salt na eto, tips lang galing sa akin since ito yung ginawa ko. Pero, it doesn't mean na ma-approve agad kayo. But, it's worth keeping this in mind once mag-apply kayo. Ay, hindi pala namin sinama si Papa kasi mahirapan siyang umakyat baba. Wow! We are currently in the Pets Corner. So, mag-aandar na ako kasi iiyak yung isang bata. But, as I was saying, first tip is you don't really have to buy the tickets before applying. Yes, yung funds na gagamitin nyo para bumili ng ticket, gamitin nyo na lang as your show money. Second tip is, yes, kailangan mo ng funds. Kailangan mo ng pera, show money, para may pakita na kaya mong pondohan yung stay ng family mo dito sa UK. Ha? Bagot good. Gusto yan ni Papa. Picturean mo ma. Okay. No more. Okay, we're not going there anymore. I promise. Tulog na si Keke.
Ayaw talaga niya sa ano. Lupat daddy.
Grabe maka marshmallow. Okay, the third tip is make an itinerary and then yung total ng itinerary amount, dapat yun yung laman ng account mo. So, it doesn't necessarily mean na kailangan mo ng like 6 digits. Kung ano yung itinerary mo, dapat mag-reflect sa bank account mo na meron kang pera na ganun. Yun, I think, is a big factor para ma-approve yung application nyo. Ano yung in-order mo? Ano yan? Cheese and onion, no? Cheese and onion. Ito sa akin. Guilty pleasure. Ilang tip na ba? Fourth tip? Tama na ba? Fourth tip is, you need to make sure na yung documents nyo lahat prepared. yung kompleto talaga kayo. Yung kung sabihin nila na kailangan may letter of sponsorship, siguraduhin nyo na napirmahan yun, na-upload yun ng maayos, and then yung mga payslip or how do you say that? Ay, yung mga bank statements, siguraduhin nyo na complete kayo nun, yung latest 6 months. Of course, siguro alam na yan ng lahat, standard. Yun yung nakalagay din naman anyways sa website nila. Next, another tip is, eto ha, without any order to kasi kung ano lang talaga yung naisip ko sa naalala ko. Pero yung isang naalala ko is, nung nag-apply ako ng visa, I really had no like assistance from solicitors or anybody else except my friends who actually had the same experience of applying visas for their families. You need to research, ask around, and also listen to their advice. So, ang gagawin nyo is obviously, kailangan nyo i-collate lahat nyo yung mga tips and advice and follow it, thinking na, syempre sila, kung sila na-approve, obviously, mas malaki na naman ang chance na ma-approve din kayo. And another tip before kami umalis na is, you need to be confident na pag na-apply nyo na yun, as long as complete naman yung documents nyo, ma-approve kayo. Just claim it. You know, I believe in the power of claiming it. Like, if you stay positive, positive things will come to you. Yung ganun. Kasi ako, since coming to the UK, ILR, yung permanent residency ko, citizenship, and this one, visa application, it was all just me and tips from my friends. So I am very much thankful for my friends who have guided and assisted me. So we all did this without the help again of solicitors and na-approve naman. So just be confident na once na-apply na, wala ka nang magagawa, just pray and fingers crossed, ma-approve yan.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you?
Good morning. It's another day. We're at home. And today, may appointment kami ni baby sa GP. So, it's the regular appointment 6 to 8 weeks after delivery. So, dadalhin ko kayo doon and let's see how the day ends. And I hope you're still watching. So, nag-breakfast na pala kami. I made egg quesadilla, scrambled eggs, and hash browns. So, mabilis lang kasi in air fryer ko lang yung hash brown. I don't know why my voice is like this every morning. Pero, I noticed every day na there is progress. Things are changing. So, although here at home, weather is not changing. Maulan pa din. I'll still bring you along. Ang appointment namin is quarter to 11, ako 11, sabay. Dapat daw after 6 weeks ng delivery, yun yung check-up ko, and then after 8 weeks kay Kayla. After 8 weeks din yung bakuna niya, but here sa GP, sabay daw ang mom and baby. So, sabay kami today, and buti na lang andito si Mark. So, although maulan, at least may backup. Now, si Ate Macy is not happy kasi I promised her that kasama siya, but you know, plans change. It happens. So, after dito, sunduin namin siya, and we'll see how she is. I feel bad kasi I did try to wake her up, pero tulog pa man siya nung ginising ko. So, I don't really wanna keep waking her up kasi pag nursery, maaga talaga siya gumigising at ayaw naman niyang tumayo din ng maaga. So, these things, I need to start training myself. Malit pa si Macy, pero it does affect you. And yeah, maliit pa siya. So, more emotional challenges to come pag lumaki na. So, we are done. Medyo matagal yung appointment, but we're here. We're here in the pharmacy. I'm just waiting for my meds. Makayla is knocked out. You can see. And after this, uwi na. Maulan pa din sa labas. Oh God, man. The weather talaga. Ang weather talaga dito sa UK. Hindi maganda when it's winter. Well, technically, pag any season naman. But, yeah. Hopefully, makauwi na. Yun, on the way home. So, yun lang naman. Parang may checklist lang sila kung ano yung titingnan nila for the mom and for the baby. Hindi ko maalala kung ganito ba katagal yung kay Macy nung time ko ba. I'm pretty sure nung kay Macy, hiwalay kami. Like, my check was different from her check. But, I guess it's the same anyway. They follow a certain protocol. Then, hinintay lang namin yung gamot sa pharmacy. Binigyan lang ako ng laxatives. Dahil nga, mahirap pag constipated ka. And also, schedule ng iba-iba pang appointment. So, we're on our way home. It's still raining, as we can see. So, mamaya, tingnan natin kung saan tayo pwede pumunta. Kasi, Ate Macy is expecting to go somewhere. Mahirap talaga pag may toddler ka doon. Kasalanan ko din kasi I thought magdadala ko siya today, so I've been like telling her na you're coming with me, and then biglang nagising siya na wala kami. But things happen, so let's see how she is when we get home. How do you feel when mommy left?
Sad.
Why do you feel sad?
Because I wanted my mommy.
You wanted your mommy. And were you surprised that mommy was not here anymore?
Yeah.
Are you happy now that we're back?
Yeah.
And what are we gonna do today?
Take care, Ate Macy.
Take Ate Macy where?
Hope.
Take Ate Macy home, but we're home. Where are we going today?
No one.
Nowhere anymore. We're not gonna go out with Ate Macy anymore.
I want to go out.
We're going out later. After lunch. When the man comes, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oo, kasi may hinintay kami na ano yun? Na
Where are we
engineer.
going?
Where do you wanna go?
It's
You wanna
raining.
eat- you wanna
if we
eat-
go to the playground, it's raining.
Yeah. We'll go to the playground. We'll just get something that you need for school, okay?
Okay.
And then we wanna eat in McDonald's? Okay.
I want to eat rice. There's no ice cream.
Rice in McDonald's? I don't think they serve rice in
No,
McDonald's.
there's no ice cream.
Mm.
No ice cream they sell.
Yeah, no ice cream they don't sell because it's cold, isn't it?
Do you remember I wanted ice cream? That one.
Yeah, I remember. Don't put the mic there, guys. They will not hear you. They will hear Princess Jasmine. Let's sing them a song.
Yeah,
Nakauwi na pala kami. Pasensya na sa likod ko. But the baby is asleep. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina nung umuwi kami kasi it was raining and may nabili ako. I'll show you tomorrow. What else? And kumain na din ako agad. Si baby pinaliguan ko. And, ano ba? Ano ba bang nangyari sa atin today? So, dumaan lang kami sa TK Maxx. A bit of browsing. Alam niyo yun, yung kasi, it's been raining here in Newcastle for a week now. I don't know if you can hear me. I forgot to put on my mic, but it's been raining here in Newcastle for a week now. No, for 2 weeks now. And it's gonna be raining again next week. So, ulan lang talaga ng ulan. So, I needed a bit of a break. So, kaya, pinush ko talaga na, aside from yung Macy wanted to go out, gusto lang niya mag-hot choco sa Costa. I also pushed na makalabas kami kasi gusto ko talagang medyo makarelax ng konti. And, you know, typical woman, yung, yung relax is like window shopping. So, yun. Pero again, may nabili kami. Yun lang, isang damit for me and isa para kay Macy. It's not really a dress, yung sa akin top pala. And it's a bit of a couple top with my husband. So, napakita ko sa inyo. He's a baseball fan. So, and I wanted one too. So, yun, buti na kaya nakakita ko. I usually go for kid sizes also. So, yung mga pang 14 years old, kaway-kaway sa mga katulad kong Pilipina na bumibili din sa mga kids clothes. So, yun, mas mura siya in fairness pag dun ka bumili sa mga damit pang bata. Yung baby knocked out after the wash, typical, diba? Kasi, pag napapaliguan talaga sila, knocked out sila, and ang sarap ng tulog nila after. Which is a good thing kasi pagod na tayo. I'm really tired. So, tomorrow, or maybe later, I'll show you what I got. Ipapakita ko sa inyo, ito na lang, picture with Mark. Yun. So, couple shirt siya. And then, yung kay Macy, hindi ko na ipapakita pala kasi nalabhan na. Yun. Siyempre, kailangan labhan bago masuot. Anyway, guys, that's the vlog for this week. If magtataka kayo, bakit ang tagal ng upload ko? Kasi wala pang internet yung, paano ba tawagin? Yung, alam mo yung connection for the whole area, village namin. Kasi new build yung bahay na nakuha namin, wala pang internet. So, basically, to apply for a Wi-Fi internet, tama ba? Meron na kami. Pero yung major connection for the whole village, wala pa. So, as soon as makabit yun, meron na. And because walang ganun dito, we're relying on a portable Wi-Fi and medyo mabagal yung internet. Kaya, pag hindi ako nakaka-upload and it's taking so long, hindi muna ako nag-vlog kasi ayokong matambakan kagaya ng dati. So, hopefully, tuloy-tuloy na to. Nakikita niyo yung mga kalat ko sa background. Ganito lang. And, I want to say thank you to those who stayed and who is new also to this channel. Again, my name is Rona. I'm a Pinay nurse here living in the UK with a family here in the UK now. Have 2 kids. And welcome to our vlog. So, see you again on the next one. Bye!